Menopause is a significant time in a woman's life. We have, reduced amount of estrogen, and we do not know what is happening along with all our hot flushes that we are experiencing. So it's very difficult, and our skin quality start to change as well. So now we have introduced this little skincare routine, which is designed for menopausal skin. And at the same time, I will use this device, the RUMI device, because it will help with the skin tightening. So the first serum that we have is called the Pink Magic Lifting Serum. Why? Because it has kudzu root, which will actually stimulate our estrogen receptors in our skin. So as you can see, it's a clear serum. It will be very easily absorbed onto the face. So what you can do is apply an amount of serum onto the face. I apply quite a lot. And then what I want to do is use my RUMI device over it to push the serum into the skin. So I can feel some little microcurrents onto my face, and very easily the serum will be absorbed. I can do this little routine in the morning and in the evening even. And it will also help with lymphatic drainage around the eyes for anyone experiencing some puffy eyes, okay? And afterwards, we will do this for 5 minutes, and afterwards we will apply a very good firming cream for anyone with menopausal skin, because it's packed with kudzu, and as you can see, it's designed in a very smart way. This is called smart memory polymer, and we apply onto the skin. It's like a gel of thick consistency that all the ingredients will go in very easily into the skin, and it will stimulate our estrogen receptors in our skin to produce more estrogen. So it works hand in hand with anyone having hormone replacement therapy, for example, right? So, but this is what we call phytoestrogen. It's a botanical way of stimulating our skin. So I can apply that onto the skin, and afterwards, of course, I need an SPF. We have the Master Orga sunblock, which is really good for anyone with aging skin. It's an organic based sunblock with only zinc oxide, so we can apply a small amount onto the face. And that's our skincare routine for the menopausal skin.